Hey guys, Ken McDonald, Lifetime Performance. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about back pain, okay, and in particular extension-based back pain. Now we see a lot of clients, especially golfers, that have this sort of pain when they're standing for a long time or when they're kind of standing over their shot like so. And typically what it means is that we have excessive tone or muscle contraction within the low back extensors when those muscles should be relaxing. Okay, so tone is not typically what you would think it would mean based on what you've read in Shape magazine, that sort of thing. Tone is when a muscle is contracting when it should be relaxed. And if our back is in a constant state of contraction, it's going to feel stiff, it's going to feel tight. That doesn't necessarily mean we want to stretch into it right away. That can actually aggravate the issue at times. So I want to show you a few things you can do just to help relaxation of that low back rather than stretching the low back. So we're going to use our box. You can use an ottoman at home, where we're going to put you in a position that's very decompressive to the low back. There's absolutely no strain on the low back when we have our legs up at this, and our hips in a 90-90 position. In fact, it kind of promotes that relaxation effect we're trying to get. Okay, we're going to start out by just focusing on our breathing. Put our right hand on our chest, left hand on belly. And all you're going to do is breathe through the nose and exhale out the mouth. I want you to exhale as long as you can possibly exhale. You're trying to expel all the air out of your mouth and out of your system. You're going to do 6 deep breaths. We're now going to pair the breathing up with what we call arm overs. Here, this is ideally to extend, or I'm sorry, to flex the shoulders, but to get some extension and some flexibility into the lats. So we're going to inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. The idea is we want to get the rib cage going down as we take the arms overhead so we can get a good stretch through the lats and get our thoracic spine to open up a little bit. So it's inhale, exhale, rib cage down, abs engaged as we take the arms over the head. We can do about 10 to 15 reps or so of those. After we finish that exercise, we're going to follow it up, okay, with some breathing in the supine position. So what we're going to do is take this pillow. We're going to place it underneath the belly, because remember, we don't want to get into an extended position. We want to make sure we have some neutrality to the low back or even some flexion. So we're going to lie all the way down with the pillow underneath. We're going to take a deep breath in again, breathing into the pillow. And then as we exhale the air, I want you to pull your belly button into your spine. Engage the abdominals. So let's inhale. We're going to do that for about 3 minutes of breathing, and that should help to relax the muscles of the low back. Again, we're trying to get them out of their contracting state, out of that excessive tone so they can relax and not feel so tight. So if you have pain standing for a long time, if you have pain when you're extended like so, if sitting gives you relief, these may be some good exercises to do to help get rid of some of that tone and to make your back feel a little bit better.